In this video, I'm going to show you how to add comments and suggestions to a shared Google Doc. So let's say that a member of my team, my administrator, a student in my class, has shared a document with me, and I need to look through it and make comments and suggestions on how to improve it. There are two main ways to do this aside from directly editing the document itself. So let's say I want to give my feedback on what this statement is saying. So the first thing I might do is, if I highlight the title, and then I can click on this little plus, I can add a comment. This is the title of a TV show. How do we format that? And then I can leave that comment, and then the author of the document will get notified of that comment and then hopefully make the suggested changes. Or I can simply make my suggestions directly in the text. So let's say I want to change the wording a bit. I can highlight the phrase that I'd like to change, and then if I switch to suggesting mode, which I'm already in, I can simply type the new wording or phrasing that I think the author should consider. All right, so if I do that, I can suggest the appropriate changes. All right. If the author accepts it, it simply corrects it. Otherwise, it will stay highlighted and stricken over. And then you can make changes that way. And that is how you make comments and suggestions in a Google Doc.